Hey guys, it's Aaliyah. In this video I'm behind the camera because we decided to do Bailey Does My Sister's Makeup Challenge. So let's get started.
Okay. I don't know if I want this. Okay, what is this? Okay, I got something.
Danny, give her your face.
Okay.
Danny, put your face up there.
Where is your face?
Wait.
Okay. Where is your eye?
Okay, that's enough.
I don't know. Okay, there. Brush. Okay, done. How do I? Okay.
That's her knee. Danny, give her your face.
Okay. Okay, done with that. What else? Okay, here. What is this? Okay.
Danny, give her your face.
I don't know if she wants that. Okay. Okay, this. Okay.
Danny, your face.
What is this?
Wait, let's leave, okay?
I don't know if this is the right.
Oh, that one.
Okay. Where's your face? Oh, there it is. Okay, there. Okay, so this is working out very well. This is so awkward. Okay. Done with that. Wait.
Eyeliner, maybe.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Eyeliner. Which one's the pointy end? Okay. Give me your face, woman. Don't know where I'm doing it. Okay, I think I'm done.
Okay, so that's it for this video. Please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe and leave the comment below on what video do you want me to do next.
And part
Bye!